For about 3 years, I have literally dyed my hair every single color you can imagine. At first, I was able to maintain the health and length of my hair for a really long time because I would only bleach my hair once a year. So as soon as I bleached my hair, I would dye my hair any color that I wanted. But as time went on, I started to get annoyed as soon as I saw my roots growing in. So then I became a bleach addict. So I went from bleaching my hair once a year to like once a month. But I later realized that that was something that just wasn't sustainable for me, my hair, and the health of my hair. So I decided to just cut all of my hair off. Well, not really all of my hair, but most of my hair. And as time went on, I slowly started letting my roots grow out, and I would just cut my ends to just like get rid of the color. So for the past year or so, I decided to just leave my hair alone. I would only wash it and deep condition it when I needed to, and I would put them in braids. And slowly my roots just started to grow out. And as I said, I would just cut my ends. And now after doing all of that, we're finally here. My hair has grown out. So I decided to show you guys my wash day routine. So we're starting off on stretched out hair because I mostly wear my hair stretched. Honestly, I don't really wear my hair in a wash and go as often. As you can see, I still have some blonde on my ends, but I'm just going to cut them off as soon as possible because like I'm almost done with removing all of the blonde from my hair. So since I'm going to do a wash and go today, I'm going to do a lot of detangling, and we're going to start off by just wetting my hair, of course. But one thing I found out about my hair after using so much bleach is that I have low porosity hair. I grew up with relaxed hair. You guys might know if you guys have been on my channel for a while. I had relaxed hair, and I never knew my hair porosity because when my hair was relaxed, I had normal porosity, and when my hair was bleached, I had normal porosity. But now that my hair is completely natural, I have high porosity hair, which is crazy. So I'm going to be using a Detox shampoo. I really like the shampoo. It doesn't really lather a lot, but it has a lot of ginger extract and lemon extract, and I really like it because it makes my roots feel fresh or like cold. I can't really find the word to explain it right now, but it just makes my roots or my scalp, feel really, really fresh. And I really, really like this sensation. And I usually do this routine every 2 weeks. So if you have like detox type of shampoos and stuff, I recommend them a lot just to make sure that your hair is always squeaky clean. And I'm also going to use their mask. I really like it. The hair mask is made of like 80% of clay, green clay, I think, if I'm not mistaken. It just has a lot of like detox properties. I used to use Herbal Essences brand that had like a cooling effect also on my hair. Pantene also has like a lemon extract thingy, but I'm also going to use it in this video. You guys will see later. And back in the day, I used to use conditioner first, and then I would use a mask in the end. But now I just do it the other way around. Why? I honestly don't know. Sometimes I also use the conditioner first, and then I use my shampoo. But I usually do this on my wash days, my wash and go days. The days that I'm going to do a wash and go, I just really want to detangle my hair to make sure that like my curls like kind of pop, because I'm like a lazy natural. Like I never really like do too much. I just do enough to make sure that my hair is healthy. So as soon as I finish doing the hair mask, I'm also obviously I'm going to wash that off as well, and then later I'm going to use the conditioner. I'm also going to use the conditioner from the same brand, but I'm also going to mix it with a Pantene conditioner that also has ginger and lemon extract, and I mix the both because both of them are really good, and I just like the effect that it gives on my hair to make my scalp feel fresh. But I'm not going to place it as much on my scalp. I'm going to place it more all over my hair because I feel like my scalp is already clean, so I'm just going to do that. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to detangle my hair with a brush because I usually always use a wide tooth comb all over my hair. But since today we're doing a wash and go, I'm also going to use a brush because I just really want to detangle my hair. And sometimes I feel like the brush helps stimulate your curls, you know, because I feel like a wide tooth comb isn't enough for that. So yeah, I'm just going to do that, and then I'm also going to wash my hair out once more. I do use towels to dry my hair, but on wash and go days, I never use towels because I don't want to have frizz, especially because I don't really use that much product. You guys will see. I'm not just taking my oils. I have a bunch of different oils. The one in the middle is one that I only get in Angola. The other one that I'm showing right now is the mixture. And the last one is a Shea powder oil that I use also. So like, yeah, I just have a bunch of oils that I've been using. And now this is a detox thingy that I also do. I also place it on my roots. It makes my hair my roots even more like fresh and cool, you know? So yeah, I like using my towel because I don't want any frizz, because I don't really do the wash and go when my hair is really wet. I know some people do that. It makes your curls really, really defined. I think it's cute, but me personally, I like a little bit of volume. So I do my prep thingy mostly when my hair is like almost completely dry. I add a little bit of water, just a little bit, just to make sure my hair is not too dry, but I don't really add that much. And sometimes I do this whole routine on like dry stretched hair because I just want to have a lot of volume, because my hair, as you guys can like watch through the video, it shrinks a lot. Like 70% of my hair is like shrinking always. So I just like volume, because if I define it too much, then I'll have no hair to show. So yeah, I later just placed some gel all over my hair. As you guys saw, I placed the cream first, and then I just let it air dry. And the first day, it never looks the best. Honestly, it looks crunchy. It looks crunchy. But on the second day, the third day, the fourth day, it just looks a lot better. You guys will see in the video. But yeah, I never also use my fingers to like detangle. I always use a brush, like to make sure the curls pop. But yeah, it's pretty much it, you guys. That is just what I do on my wash days. My wash and go days. Any days, I don't know. I hope you guys like it. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys want to see more hair videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.